This is the female reproductive system, and I'm Osher Olsberg. Alright, so the first phyla we dissected were the Annelida, and the Annelida have specific genders but not specific sexual organs, which means in the gonads, which are these yellow sacs over here, they produce both sperm and egg cells. And then those cells, once they're produced, are stored in the skin. And then they can be released if they pile up too much and then they burst the skin, or if they're just released through holes. And so the biggest evolutionary breakthrough here is genetic mutation, which doesn't happen all the time, but it can happen if the worms are in the right place at the right time and are able to procreate that way, two different worms. The next animal we dissected was a fish, actually two of them. These are different fish. This one is different than this one. This one, the gonad burst, and we found caviar, which is the egg cells of a female fish. And this right here is a fish gonad, which it's the same idea as in the earthworm. It's a place where the sexual cells are created, and the difference here is that the cells don't burst the skin of the fish. There's something called the cloaca, in which the cells are released when the fish is mating with a male fish. And one of the evolutionary breakthroughs here is the two-chambered uterus, which allows for more storage of cells before they're discharged. Also, the gonads are individually sexed, which means that there's no such asexual reproduction. And lastly, mammals, as you can see in the picture, this thing right here, that is a rabbit uterus, where the baby is held upon fertilization of the egg. And definitely there are just huge breakthroughs here. The mere fact that there's internal fertilization and internal development of the fetus is just instrumental to the reproductive system. It allows for the best protection, the best development of the child because of time issues, and definitely something to note about humans is that they can mate all year because of the woman's 12-month period cycle. And yeah, that's female reproduction in a nutshell.